Repair jackets, pants, bibs and gloves made of Gore-TEX fabric for a truly waterproof, breathable patch. No sewing required. Peel and stick patch to quickly fix rips, tears or holes in Gore-TEX garments. Use an iron or hairdryer to increase bond strength. Apply this patch with an ultra-aggressive adhesive, which bonds instantly, won't peel even after a wash. Removable. Use patch kit that includes one 3 inches round patch and one 2 inches by 4 inches rectangular patch. Both patches are black and can be cut to size. Packaging may vary. Top reviews from the United States. This will save your technical gear. Definitely get this Gore-TEX version of GearAid, you'll be much happier. The regular gear tape is thin. This Gore-TEX version is thicker than the standard one, but it is still thinner than you may think, and that's a good thing. It may be thicker than the standard version, but it is still very flexible and compares nearly exact to technical rain gear density, whether it's Gore-TEX or some proprietary waterproof membrane. I found the standard tape to be quite thin and better suited to ultralight down jacket exteriors. The patch on my waterproof pants have been through quite a bit of use and washes and has held up very well. Note that the adhesive is very sticky, so care must be taken when you apply the patch, as there is no going back once it's on the fabric to be repaired. You can easily adhere a crease if you're not careful. I did follow up the patch initially with a warm iron with a thin cloth in between to further the adhesion. I am very happy with this fix patch and would use it again if the need arises.